Hello and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. So today in this video, as you see by the title, we are putting a emblem or star, whatever you want to call it, on the grill of the 560 SEL. Now, it's not a new one, it's an old one, old and tatty, but it's somewhat in working order. I mean, it springs at least, you know, it's not, kind of springs. Oh dear. But once you can place it, kind of sits there, and that's what it's kind of meant to do. If you like, there we go. I mean, that kind of broken even more. Yeah, that is kind of broken in a bit more. It's not springy anymore now. Ooh. Yep, we're going to leave it like it is. Anyway, so before it breaks entirely, it's sitting quite nice on that. This is from a W126. Now, I don't know if it will fit a 560 SEL, but we're going to give it a try. It looks like it would do. Got the 201 part right. Actually, yeah, it's got a 201 model number on there, but the actual part number is A296. So who knows? Who knows? Now, I've already pulled. Basically, when you fit one of these, it'll come out of the box like this. You get it like this, and you put it in, and you turn this spring, get some big pliers, and you turn it. And just along here, these little clamps on each side clamp down and wedge the grill, which will sit in between this lip, and this will clamp down, sucking this outer lip into the grill, and these will push down with quite a powerful force. And it's extremely strong, and trying to reset these is quite hard. Anyway, so let's get to the grill and just stick this in, and hopefully this fits, and make the S-Class, the 560 SEL, look a little bit more like a Mercedes, even though it's still going to look like a car with extreme rust issues, but it'll look like a car with extreme rust issues, but with a Mercedes badge on it. Okay, so you can currently see the S-Class just here, and it's currently got a broken one. I mean, it looks like it's going to fit. It looks like it will do. Right, open this bonnet. Oh, and it's finished. Extremely rusty. Yeah, and this one's destroyed, but if you break it a bit more, ain't gonna matter. I'm going to wiggle with this and get this out and bring you back when I'm ready to install the next one. Okay, broken, crusty one out. Yep. And it's actually got the same part number on there, so A29, can you see that? And W21 on the bottom, just here. So it's all the kit, so the hole on top here, that comes in. And pulls down. Now you can do this with the grill off, but you can do this with the grill off, but I'm doing it with the grill on. Alright, so let's reset. You can see where the original marks were. You can turn this. Don't let go of the pliers, because it'll hit you in your face and it hurts. And that is on. Job done. Let's shut the bonnet. Hey, not the cleanest, but you know, at least you've got the badge on now. You know, it's looking more and more like a Mercedes. I'm going to get inside the front of the car now and see if I can see the star. So that wasn't the quickest of videos. Again, it's a relatively short video, but a very important step in the car's transformation from old rust bucket to glorious Mercedes. Probably not quite so much glorious. nonetheless, it's another vital step to making the car back to how it used to be. Having a Mercedes star on the grille, it's very important to let people know you have a Mercedes, because obviously not having one is not good enough. It's a S-Class. It should have the badge, and it's now got one. Got a nice little star sticking up on top there. Now I have a new badge, well not new, but a new to this car badge on the grille. That's very nice. I can see it now, and I just, you know, I can put it past the camera, and you see a nice little badge, you know. It's very nice indeed. 2 years I've had the car, I think, nearly now, 2 years, maybe, something like that, and it's never had one until now. So, moving on up in the world. So, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. If you like and subscribe, really does help seeing this channel grow. And if you do subscribe, you'll see more top quality videos always being released in 4K. And if you subscribe, you'll be notified of when they are released. So if you like watching 4K videos on Mercedes or car shows or anything really vehicle related, definitely hit that subscribe button and you'll get notified straight away. So once again, has been On The Drive, and I'll see you in my next video.